Hello children, welcome to my Kannada session once again. In my last class, I have been teaching you the letters as well as words. Okay, we have started the letter from A till U we have reached. Let us move ahead with some more letters today. Okay, now the first letter what I am going to take you today will be R, letter R. R, Rishi. The word for R, Rishi. Rishi means sage. The next one, R, Ruju. I think you can see this. Ruju means signature. Rutu. Rutu means season. Summer season, winter season, rainy season. Seasons are called as Rutu. Rishabha. Rishabha means ox. Once again, Rishi, Ruju, Rutu, Rishabha. Okay, let us go for the next letter. After Ru, it is A. Okay, Ele. Ele means leaf. Okay, again, Ele, Essay. Essay means to throw. Ettinagadi. Ettinagadi. Ettinagadi means bullock cart. Okay. Emme. Emme means she buffalo. Okay. She buffalo is called as emme. Once again. Ele. Essay means to throw. Ettinagadi. Emme. Let us move ahead to the next letter. Next letter will be A. Here A letter is given. Eni. Eni means ladder. One more word for A. Eru means to climb up. With the help of ladder, you are going to climb up. Is called as Eru. Eni. Eru. Okay. After A, the next letter will be I. Okay. Aidu. Aidu means 5. Ainuru means 500. Aivaru means 5 people. Aishwarya means treasure. Once again, Aidu, Ainuru, Aivaru, Aishwarya. Okay. So we have learnt R, A and I. Once again, we will learn this letter and words. First letter will be R, Rishi means sage. R, Ruju means signature. Rutu means season. R, Rishabha. Rishi, Ruju, Rutu, Rishabha. Okay. After R, it is A. Okay. Ele, Esse, Ettinagadi, Emme. Leaf, throw, bullock cart, and then she buffalo. Now A. Here A means Eni. Eni means ladder. Eru means to climb up. We say Hattu also in Kannada. Eru means to climb up. Eni and Eru. Now the last letter will be I. Aidu. Aidu means 5. Ainuru means 500. Aivaru means 5 people. Aishwarya means treasure. So today you have learnt R, A and I. So A till I you have learnt in my 2 sessions. Let me teach you one nice song in Kannada, especially for this Swarakshara. Okay? The child comes and says to his mother or her mother that the child has learnt the letter A to Aha, connecting few words and few action. Okay? Like that the child has learned the letter from A to Aha. So, Amma nanage bantu. The child says, Amma, I have learned letter A. ಓಕೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಅ ಬಂತು, ಆಟವಾಡಿ ಆ ಬಂತು. ಐ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ and then I have learnt. ಆಟ means to play. ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಆ ಬಂತು. Okay, I have learnt ಆ by playing. ಇಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಈ ಬಂತು. ಇಲಿ means mouse. The child has seen the rat and then the child is learning the letter E. E, ಇಲಿ. ಈಜುತ್ತ ಕೊಳವ ಈ ಬಂತು. Swimming, the child has learnt now swimming. The word for swimming is ಈಜು. ಈಜುತ್ತ ಕೊಳವ ಈ ಬಂತು. Okay, ಈಜು means to swim. The child has learnt E now. Now after E it is U. Unde means dumplings or any type of laddu is called as unde in Kannada. Undeya tindu U bantu. The child has learned the letter U after eating unde. Udutta kolala U bantu. The child has learned now how to blow the flute. Udutta kolala U bantu. Rishiyanu nodi R bantu. Now the child has seen the sage and use the word rishi. Rishiyanu nodi R bantu. Ettanu kandu E bantu. Ettu means ox once again. Ettanu kandu bull, we say bullock cart. Just now you have learnt a word. Ettanu kandu E bantu. Erutta marava E bantu. Now the child has learned how to climb the tree and then the child has learned the word eru. Eru means to climb up. Okay, erutta marava E bantu. Aidanu kandu I bantu. The child has seen aidu. Okay. Ondanu baredu O bantu. Ondu means number 1. Ondanu baredu, the child has learnt how to write the number 1. So the child has learnt the letter O and the word ondu. Odutta odutta O bantu. Now the child has learnt how to run by connecting the word odu means run. The child has learned the letter odu. Okay, O. Now ಔಷಧಿ ಕುಡಿದು ಅವು ಬಂತು. Now the child, when child is sick, child used to have medicine, ಔಷಧಿ. Okay, ಔಷಧಿ ಕುಡಿದು ಅವು ಬಂತು. ಅಂಜಿದ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ಅಂಜು means to be scared. Okay, when the child has to learn, in the beginning child must have thought it is very difficult to learn. Now the child is telling ಅಂಜಿದ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. I have been thinking how to learn this. Now the child is ready now. Child is free to learn now. Now anju is the word that child has learnt. Anjida pathake bantu. Amma nanage akshara bantu. Now the child says very happily, I have learnt all the letters from A to Aha. For the letter Aha we don't have much words. That's why Aha is taken as it is. As in when we go to some higher classes, we may have some word, but normally for us we are not using some words for Aha. Okay, so A to Aha. Now the same recitation I am going to put a tune in my next class. Okay, so you will be learning these letters and words with the recitation and singing. In the next class I am going to teach you. Till then, hope that you have enjoyed my class, the letters and the words. Recollect the words which I have taught just now. Let us meet in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.